Welcome to this home here in Marysville. Stucco, nice neighborhood, quiet. Let's go check it out. As you enter here, you can see you've got a nice living room that kind of surrounds back over here to a kitchen area that with painted cabinetry. The home needs just a little bit more love to be able to bring it back to the glory days, but you got a nice fireplace here, a nice big backyard. There is a newer fence back there, but it needs a little bit of love to support it. But you've got some nice taller ceilings, kind of walks through here. You got the laundry here, and then if you come back through, you've got the bedroom, and bedroom there. Super easy, 0 steps to get into this home. Nice starter home. It's just almost there. It's got newer flooring in here as well, but just really close with a little bit of additional work. You've got yourself a gem. Hey, welcome to the backyard where, yes, there's the mystery spot down on the coast, and this one is about the same. So yes, nothing hiding here. We've got 4 supports keeping up the fence. So if you guys are looking for a great starter home, single story, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, with an open floor plan with a little bit of work, feel free, come see this one, Area Catch Century 21, and we'll see you at the next one.